Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to day 5 in this How to Make Money on YouTube series. So I hope you've enjoyed this content so far. If you have done, please leave me a comment down below and give the video a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate that. So if we do a recap on where we've been and what we've covered so far. So on day 1 we've decided on our niche and we found products that we wanted to promote. On day 2 we looked at keyword research and coming up with lots of different video titles and ideas. Day 3 we actually went ahead and created the video, and then yesterday we went and looked at how you can create stunning thumbnails really quickly. Now look, if you missed any of these days, don't worry, I'll put a link to all of them below so you can go back to whichever day you missed and play catch up that way. So today is our final day, we're on to day 5, so we're going to be uploading the video and we will be putting into practice everything that we have looked at in the previous 4 days. Now today is Friday the 12th of June and I'm really excited about this because my brand new YouTube passive course has just launched. So what we've looked at in this mini training series so far, we've touched on this and we've scratched the surface. Well, my actual course will walk you through this in a hell of a lot more detail, and it's taken me the last 6 weeks to put all of this together, and the reason why I put my YouTube course together was obviously it was to make money, but other than that it was because I used to offer a one-on-one training series with clients and students. I no longer offer that due to time restraints and other bits, so what I've done is I've put everything I know into this course. Now I'll show you very quickly inside of the course, so you can see here this is what it looks like. You can see there's a hell of a lot of content in here, so we cover some of the basics, and this is what I would class this here, what we've covered so far. To me, this is the basics. Within the course we go over what I would say is like the advanced strategies and the quicker ways to get the best results, because what we've looked at so far throughout the week is going ahead and creating content looking at keywords and long tail keywords, and that's great and you can grow on YouTube that way. But if you want to really fast track your YouTube success and start getting YouTube start recommending your content instead of just focusing on long tail keywords and other bits, this course here, it will show you this. We go over a number of methods, so I share something called the FAST method with you. We'll look at the perfect video formula, we'll look at money funnels, so this will show you how you can make a hell of a lot more money instead of just using one affiliate link within your description. We'll go over the actual upload process, what you should be doing after the video is uploaded, and look, it's basically it's a full in-depth course walking you through absolutely everything you need to know. It comes with lifetime updates, it comes with a Facebook group, and you can see here this is just on page 1 where I share some results on various different channels. So this goes over some of my affiliate earnings, how I earned over $8,000 from one video. I also share one video which is still bringing in a passive income, because essentially that's what we're looking to do with YouTube. We're looking at earning a passive income. So there's this video here, there's another example of one of my channels where I'm earning a passive income without being on camera, and then I also share my 7-year-old's channel as well. So look, this is the course. Go ahead and check this out. There's a link below, it will take you over to the page here, and you can see this is the exact strategies and SEO growth that I've used in the last 12 months to generate over 6 figures with different channels. And you'll also see on here, you'll see some testimonials from different people, and there's lots more down here, because what I'm going to share with you in this course, it's proven, it's tested, it works on my channel, but you'll also see that it works on my different students. So this is Yuri's channel, this is Yuri, his channel is closing in on 100,000 subscribers. We've got Bobby on here, and look, depending on when you're watching this, there'll be many more testimonials down here, because I've gone ahead and I've asked for some feedback from people who have worked with me in the past. So go ahead, feel free to check this out. So that is that's the pitch part of this video done and over with. But if we jump back to today, day 5, the upload process. So let's go over to YouTube now and we will go through the upload process. So really simple, we click the button up here and we click on upload video, and we're going to upload the video which we want on the platform. So if I just click on here, I'm going to look for the video which I've just got for this really quickly. So here, so look, this one here, how to make $100 a day on YouTube part 4. So my video is uploading for me. So you can see up here, title required. This is obviously my title with my keyword within the description. So this is something I always do. I always take my title here and I copy this and I put this here. Now you'll see here my description box is already pre-populated with all of this information here, and I'll show you how we cover this, how I do this within the course. So what I do here is, once I've put my title in here, the next part is down here. I want to give a bit more information about the video that I'm uploading, and again you'd want to include your keywords within the description box here. So you see in this video I'm going to share how you can make money, not online, in this example, make money on YouTube using a simple process. Now I'm going to speed over this part here, because normally what I would say is within your description box try to include your keyword a minimum of 2 to 3 times, and don't just spam it in there. Don't just put in make money on YouTube. Make it natural and literally just include it within your description box, but don't kill it. When I say don't kill it, just don't spam your keyword in there as many times as possible. Just put it in your description box naturally. Now if you remember at the beginning of this whole series, we went and decided on our niche, and we found products that we wanted to promote, and in day one I showed you how to get your products and how to get your affiliate link and how to shorten that link. In your description box here, this is where you would put your affiliate link. So depending on your niche or whatever, you would have a really simple call to action. So it could be get your freebie here. So if you was giving away a freebie, then you would put that in here for people to pick up the freebie, or it would be sending them over to the sleep product that we looked at, or whatever it is basically, but you would include your affiliate link in here. So once you're happy with this, the other thing what I would say to do is, if you scroll down here, keep coming further down the page, you see here I always have 3 hashtags within my description box, and the reason being is, believe it or not, people are now actually starting to use hashtags when they are searching on YouTube. And I know this because when I look at my analytics, I can see videos which are generating traffic with these hashtags. So hashtags, what do you think we're going to include here? Well, obviously we're going to be including our keywords like we do for everything. So you'd include your keywords in here. So this here, how to make money online, I would change this to how to make money on YouTube. And with these hashtags here, it doesn't matter where you put them within your description, they will always pop up at the top of the video. And what do I mean by that? If I come over here into a different video, let me just pause this. Hello, it's Mark. Sorry, I don't know why that's lagging. You see here? Hello, it's Mark. My hashtags here, how to make money on YouTube, not taught at school, earn online, they're always at the top of the video title. And like I say, it doesn't matter where you put them in your description box, they will always appear at the top here. So once we're happy with that, scroll further down the page here. The next part is you want to upload your thumbnail. So you remember in day 4, we went ahead and created our thumbnail using our keywords. So I'm going to click on here, upload thumbnail. I'm going to go and get the thumbnail from yesterday, how to make money on YouTube part 4. And double click on there. There is our thumbnail that we created over on Thumbnail Blaster. I then scroll down here, I've then got a playlist, so I'm going to put this in, where is it? How to make money on YouTube. I'm going to click that in there. Now look, when you're first starting out, if you don't have a playlist for any of your videos, really simple, you click on new playlist, you create a playlist relevant to that category or that niche, and then you literally click on done, and then you can add your video in that way. Once that's done, click there, scroll further down the page here. This is where you'd go ahead and you'd put in your tags. So any tags, and I'll show you what I mean by that. I click on more options, come down here, this is tags. So let me just go ahead and show you this. So put on, I'm going to put in here any tags related to my niche. So, oh, not how to make money on YouTube. That'll be one of my tags, you see here. And you see all of these additional ones on here. I'll show you how you can get this in a second. So I'm just going to click on make money on YouTube. Now you see these related ones here, how to make money on YouTube, how to make money, this one. If I just click in these go in here automatically for me. And this is being done using a free piece of software called TubeBuddy. Now you can go with TubeBuddy, or there's another one called vidIQ, and basically it's a Chrome extension. So you see up here, it's done. So you can go over to the website, and I'll drop a link to this down below for you. You go over to TubeBuddy or vidIQ, you add the extension up here, See, I've got vidIQ and I've got TubeBuddy. And then what happens is whenever you put in any of your tags in here, it will bring up, relevant ones for you. So your tags, you always want to include your thumbnail, oh sorry, not your thumbnail, you want to always include your keyword obviously, and you want to include related keyword to your original search term. And look, you can go on Google and find lots of these, YouTube generators. This is one, although it's been playing up lately since everyone's been stuck at home. It's called Rapid Tags. Let's see if it's back up and running. Make money on YouTube. Click on enter. Right, look at that. So you see all that? That there is all of your tags. So you'd simply click on copy, go back over to the video here. Sorry, go back over to the video here. Let me just get rid of that one, get rid of that one, get rid of that one. You can simply just paste them in there. And look, that there is all of your tags done. So you see here, there's too many within this one. So how to make money on YouTube 2019, I'm going to get rid of that because it's not relevant, it's 2020. So look, that's all of my tags done. And that there was using this website over here called Rapid Tags. It's free. You don't even have to look. I've not even logged in or registered. Just come over here, put in your keyword, and it will generate your tags for you. So once you've done that and you're happy with that, I'm going to go back over here. We're then going to go on to the next tab here. So I mean, you can go through and click on, you can go through and play around with these if you really want to. I personally don't. I'll literally just leave everything as it is done. Give it a category, go through the how to and style. So this one here would be education because it's been a 4-part training series. Scroll further down and you click on next. Here, if your channel is monetized, well, in the beginning it won't be, but if your channel is monetized, this is where you can go ahead and include ads. So if I click on click on done. And you can see, look, you can have display ads, overlay ads, sponsored, skippable. I always click this one here, non-skippable video ads. And then you can have this before the video, during the video, or after the video. So it's entirely up to you. Or if you want to, you can place them manually, provided your video is over 10 minutes. Once you're happy with that, you click on next. And then this is a new thing that they've put in. It's called the ad suitability. And basically, you've got to go through and just confirm that your video is not related to any of this here. So mine is none of the above. Click on next. Here you've got something called video elements, and this is basically where you can add an end screen or you can add a card. So if I very quickly show you what this means. So add cards, if I click on here, add, what it allows you to do is with anywhere within the video, so if I just put this over here, click on pause, click on add card. See here, I can link out to a video or a playlist or another channel if I wanted to. Just get rid of this, but you see here, look, after the that's fine, that's Paul, so I don't need to worry about. So you can link out to another video. So in your video, if you're talking about a video you've done in the past, you can say click on this video in the top right hand side, and all to do that, you just simply click on create. And look, you can go through and find any video that you've done in the past. So if I click on this one here, which was day 3. Then click on here, click on teaser text, day 3, click on create card. See up here where it's got the information bar, look, it opens up. How to make $100 a day on YouTube. It's part 2, I've put day 3. So if I want to go back in and edit that, day 3, day 2. Click on save. Close that. And that's it done basically. So you can go through and add up to 5 cards. You see here, 1 of 5 used. So you'd go through, you'd add your cards. Once you're happy with your cards, you click on return to YouTube Studio. And then the final thing you've got to do is add an end screen. And again, look, this is optional. You don't have to do this. So to do this, you can click on add or you can click on import from video. Now I just have a really simple template which I do, so I'm just going to click on this one. And you see it's already done for me. And then literally my end screen, if I just show you this, see at the end of the video, this comes up here. So what was this here? Simple videos to make money online, how to make money on YouTube, and a subscribe button in the middle. And again, you can drag these elements here wherever you want. But once you're happy with them, and the timing element within the video, once you're happy with that, you simply click on save changes, and then once you're done, that's pretty much it all done. The final thing is visibility, and you can come down here and look, you can save or publish this. So obviously if I click on public, this would go onto my YouTube channel right now. If I left this as unlisted, it means people can see it as long as they've got a link to this, and if it's private, then obviously it's private. You can also schedule your videos here, so to do that you simply click on schedule and then click on the date when you want it to go live on YouTube, and you click on schedule, and that is literally it done. So let me just go onto here and click on what day is today. So we're here, so I want this to go out on Friday. I want this to go out at 2 PM. Scroll further down the page, come down here, 2 PM, click on schedule, and you see, look, that is it done. Your video will be public on June the 12th at 2 PM. So once this goes out onto the platform, it will be optimized with our keywords, our title, our tag, and everything else. We've got our affiliate link within the description. And that pretty much concludes this YouTube mini series. So overall, by now, you will know how to go ahead and decide on a niche and find products. You'll know how to get video ideas and really simple long tail keywords. You'll know how to create your videos, how to go and create the perfect thumbnail, and how to upload your video on YouTube. So you're all set to go now, and you can start creating your videos and uploading them. And as I've mentioned at the beginning of the video, if you want to fast track absolutely everything, then go ahead and click the link down below. It will take you over to my sales page. Have a look at the videos on here, see the testimonials and the feedback, because this isn't hype, it's not fluff or anything like that. This is proven. It works on my channel, it works on Yuri's channel, Bobby's, and many more. Many more students have gone through this and seen success. What this here is, it's ultimately everything I know about YouTube, and believe me when I say this, I have taken so many different YouTube courses, and I've taken little bits out of every single one and put them all together and trialed it and tested it and tweaked it, and this is overall, it's all of those things and all of my knowledge all condensed into this course. You get lifetime access, updates, and also a Facebook group. But look, do you need my course to go ahead and have success with this? No, you absolutely do not. You can go ahead, follow what we've covered so far in this 5-day training series, and start creating your content and uploading it to your channel and doing it this way. Overall, this has been geared up towards search engine optimization. What my course shows you is how to go ahead and get YouTube to recommend your content. It shows you the fast method, so how to grow really quickly on YouTube, and this has been proven on my channel. I've grown up to 50,000 subscribers in over a year. Yuri, he has grown over nearly 100,000 subscribers in the last year, and ultimately it'll show you how you can actually make more money on YouTube using this, what we cover here in the money funnels. But look, thank you ever so much for watching again. I hope you found it useful. If you did, give the video a like. If you've got any comments or questions, leave them down below. Have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow.